Dear children, today in this module we are going to study the term depreciation. As we know, depreciation is a non-cash expense. Business is established for indefinite period. This is why it acquires fixed assets for its use. The various types of fixed assets are plant account, machinery account, land account, building account, furniture account, fixtures, loose tools, etc. These assets increases the profit earning capacity of the business concern. Fixed assets are constantly used for long-term purpose. The decrease in the value of asset is known as depreciation. The decrease or decline in the value of asset is known as depreciation. A permanent fall in the value of fixed assets arising through the wear and tear from the use of those assets in the business is known as depreciation. It is the cost of lost usefulness or cost of diminution of services yield from the use of fixed assets. According to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, depreciation accounting is a system of accounting which aims to distribute the cost or other basic value of tangible capital assets. Capital assets means plant and machinery, furniture, fixtures, etc. less salvage value over the estimated useful life of the unit in a systematic and rational manner. It is the process of allocation, not valuation. Depreciation for the year is the proportion of total charge. The important features of depreciation are: depreciation is the loss in the value of assets. That means it is the decline in the value of assets. That term is known as depreciation. Then depreciation is a continuous process. It is an endless process. Then another feature is depreciation is a non-cash expenses. Then another feature is loss should be gradual and constant. Then depreciation is the exhaustion of effective life of the business. Then depreciation is the normal feature. Then maintenance of asset is not depreciation. It will not be considered as depreciation. It is continuing decrease in the value of the assets. Then as we know, it is the depreciation is the allocation of cost of the assets to the period of its life. These are the important features of depreciation. Next we are going to study the important terms used in connection with the term depreciation. The various terms used in connection with depreciation are depletion, obsolescence, amortization and fluctuation. Now we are going to study the term amortization. The word amortization is used to show the loss in the value of intangible assets. As we know, the various examples of intangible assets are goodwill, patent, copyright, trademarks, then mining rights, etc. These assets are written off over certain period. Then another term used in connection with depreciation is fluctuation. Then increase and decrease in the market value of asset is known as fluctuation. As we record the value of these assets on historical basis, we do not pass any entry for the fluctuations in the market value of the assets. Another term used in connection with depreciation is obsolescence. This is a common term used in accounting. Sometimes new inventions throw away the existing machines and equipments as obsolete. Obsolete means useless. Although the old machines and equipments are not completely useless, the firm will have to replace the old machine and equipment with the latest or up-to-date and newly invented machines and equipment. Loss due to the obsolescence of the old machine and the equipment is known as obsolescence. Amortization, depletion, fluctuation and obsolescence. These are the important terms used in connection with depreciation.